to me, I knew that you could be my Saturday, but maybe please send me to sleep. Say you'll be my Nightingale. Speak to me, 'cause I'm feeling like hell. You to answer me, I'm overwhelmed. I need a voice to echo. I need a light to take me home. I need a star to follow. I don't know. I can see the forest or the tree. I could really use one melody. Baby, I'm a little blind. I think it's time for you to find me. Can you be mine again? Sing to me, I know you're there. You can be my Saturday, will bring me peace, send me to sleep. Say you'll be mine again. Without you, nothing like a waste will come through. As long as you're with me here tonight, I'm good. And you'll be mine again. You're so close, I know you're there. Oh, Nightingale, sing to me, I know you're there. 'Cause baby, you're my Saturday, you bring me, you sing to me, say you'll be mine again. Thank you so much for watching. I love this song, and I really hope you enjoyed it. I'm a little camera shy. I pay too much attention to I'm too self-conscious. But I really hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. You can Snapchat me at SARABEAR11. That's Sarah Bear 11. My Tumblr is California Dreamer. California is with a 0, and then it's -- Dreamer, DREAMER. If you don't already know how to spell that. So California Dreamer. And then my Twitter is West Coast Sarah. So it's West Coast SAR. And my nickname is Sky, so you can call me Sky too. It's new, I just decided that today. And my YouNow, if you go on YouNow, is, what's my YouNow? Oh, it's the same as my Twitter, West Coast Sarah. Okay, I love you. Mwah. Bye, thank you for watching. Hope you liked it.